Alright, y'all, welcome back to episode 3 of the N8N series. So, today we're going to be pretty much working with making links dynamic using N8N. So, in the last video, we did a API example, what an API is, how to extract data from it, and instead of having it be static, meaning the same information every single time you run the flow, we're going to change it so whatever input you give it, the system can go ahead and match that. So instead of using, I think it was like the UK the last time, but now what we're going to do is change it so the build extracts the weather information from whatever input you give it. So whatever city you say, it'll give you the weather and the forecast for that area. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and delete this. Hopefully y'all can't see this. That'll be crazy. Lumen's acting weird right now. But go ahead, do chat, trigger, boom. Hey. Okay. And here, we're going to go ahead and move this over. We're going to go ahead and move this over. What's going on? My Mac is walling right now. Hold on. My fault. We're going to go ahead, add an open AI. Boom. Message the model. We're going to do mini. FYI, I don't know if I said this in the previous video, but currently, if I'm not mistaken, the GPT-4 Mini costs the least amount of tokens per call. So if you don't want to waste money and you want to just, keep that $5 in your OpenAI account as long as you can, I recommend you use that one for basic tests like this. So we're going to go ahead. Give me 1 second. Let me just copy and paste the prompt I made. Okay, so basically what this prompt does is a system prompt that's, now, in case you don't know, a system prompt is pretty much a direction for the model on how it should respond and what it should be doing, right? This isn't based on input, it's more so how you want the model to behave. So we're going to go ahead and say extract the longitude and latitude for the specific city the user gives. I don't know why I had that there. And present it in JSON format with the keys, latitude and longitude. Got an example right here of how it should look. And then now also output the field name URL that looks like this. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so then this guy right here gives the example of how it should look. Now if we go over here, boom, 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 boom. Now this right here is the user prompt, meaning this is how the output should look based on the information that you give it. This is just the brain and giving it the behavior. This is how you want it to look when you give it the input. So now if we go ahead and go over here. So first I've got to run this. All right, so let's just say, what's the weather in Staten Island? Did it actually give me the right? Oh, I messed something up. Give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure why, but where is it? I added a little bit more to the prompt. Now again, this is why prompting is really important. The more information you give it, the better it'll work. I guess the first paragraph I had in the user prompt wasn't defined enough. So now we're not going to use that one again. See, yeah, we're good. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the static URL and give it this instead. So now if we say what is the weather in Brooklyn, New York, the air pressure, Yep, there we go. And if I look outside my window, I don't live in New York, but I live close enough. So if I look at my window, that's about right. And then that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Now, if this is something you're really interested in and you want to be around more people that are interested in the same thing, I am starting up a Discord community this week. I'll probably already have it up by the time I get this video up, but it's going to be a Discord community where we just talk about things, go over, different subjects, breaking news and all that. So if that's something you really want to be a part of. I don't have the form set up just yet or the link set up just yet, but message me on Instagram, and then when I make it, I'll send you a link. You can join from there. Or if you're somebody who's looking to learn more about this, but in a specific case, like if you want more one-on-one help, to not only build systems that you can use for your business, any you know, personal life things. If you really want to learn AI automations and have someone walk you through step by step, and just have someone in your corner that can help you whenever, I am doing one-on-one coaching right now to not only, you know, help you learn how to make these systems, but potentially even get you paid for it. So if that's something you're interested in and potentially want to do, go ahead. Again, follow me on Instagram. I don't have the link set up just yet, my fault. But follow me on Instagram, DM me, and we can get that set up. You know, get on a call and see if it makes sense for us to work together, or if it's something that I can even help you with at all. Because again, the one-on-one coaching isn't for everyone. You might only really need the Discord or have a few questions, so you can just DM me, and then yeah, so see what happens. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you.